Good Friday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, we've got single digits out there this morning.
Yeah, Joe, it really got cold out there this morning. We were talking about them skies clearing out and the winds going lighter, and they definitely went lighter. They pretty much went calm in a lot of our monitors, particularly out in northeast Colorado and the Imperial area all the way to McCook, and here in northwest Kansas. We're starting to see them pick up from a south-southwesterly direction out there in Burlington, where we've got our warmest temperature reading at 13, but you got where the winds are still calm, and we're getting single digits elsewhere. We've got 2 being reported in McCook. We got 6 in Colby and Atwood. We got 5 in Oberlin, 3 out there in Ray, and you got -3 up in Imperial. So we've got a very cold morning on tap. It'll start off sunny, and then we'll see some clouds increase later in the afternoon and evening as another low pressure kind of comes out in 2 waves out of Colorado. That first wave will be in the middle to late afternoon period. We could start to see some flurries and light snow out along the Kansas-Colorado border, spreading into the rest of northwest Kansas during the late afternoon, evening period, and then another round during the overnight with another piece of energy. So that light snow, we could see a trace to maybe 1-2 inches accumulation where you get a couple rounds of the activity. But for the most part, they'll put down a less than an inch of a dusting, a few hundredths to a tenth of an inch of moisture. So at most, you could get 20 points of moisture, 2 inches of snow. Not enough to alleviate the drought problems, but again, a little bit of a taste of winter here to start the weekend after we saw some record high temperatures to start the week and the windy fire weather conditions. So temperatures will stay in the 30s through the day. These winds will pick up from a southeast direction at 10 to 20, turn to the northwest as that front and disturbance comes through overnight. Tomorrow, those northwest winds will be breezy. We'll go 20, 30, maybe gusting 35, 40 miles per hour, particularly in the morning into the early afternoon. Sun will come out. Temperatures will top out around 40, and then we're heading into the upper 40s on Sunday, still under northwesterly flow. We'll keep sunny skies. That'll be nice. And overnight low temperatures will continue to be in the teens. When we get to Monday, Tuesday, the high-pressure ridge will move overhead. We'll see a big warm-up into the 60s on Monday, heading to the 70s on Tuesday. Could get breezy there Tuesday, Wednesday, ahead of another disturbance. Need to watch the potential for fire weather and windy conditions again, and the dryness with the lack of moisture. That disturbance Wednesday, Thursday into Friday looks like it could have some light rain sprinkles with it there. Wednesday afternoon, evening, overnight. Again, probably less than 20 points of moisture. Lucky you might get a quarter inch. And then temperature-wise, it'll drop us back down to 50s for a couple days, and we're back up to 60s on Friday. Another cold front over the weekend will bring us down to the 40s. Again, that system looks like it's to our north and dry. So it looks like we'll end the month of February on a dry, warm note, continuing to be dry since the entire winter, and hopefully we'll see that change for March where we can catch some rain or some snowfall with a system to bring us some moisture that's definitely needed.
Once again, it's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.